Today we're going on an epic holiday adventure to help Santa. Start hopping side to side and reach to grab either the yellow presents or the purple presents. Keep hopping side to side and reach and grab as many gifts as you can.
No one but me will have presents this year.
Start running. Santa left a trail of presents for us to follow. Our job is to collect as many as we can, catch up to that snowman, and save Santa. Jump up, jump up. Squat down, jump up. Squat down, jump up, squat down. Jump up, jump up. Squat down, jump up. Squat down, jump up, squat down. Can you find the hidden yellow present? Wherever that present is where we need to go next. Could you find the yellow present? Was it behind the snowman or the Christmas tree? Copy the move down below so you can make your choice. Hey, nice job everybody! Now let's go save Santa. We have found all the gifts except for one, and we've almost caught up to Santa. Now give your best effort and watch out for that evil snowman. Start running. We've almost caught up to Santa. Squat down, jump up, squat down. Jump right, squat down, jump left. Jump up, squat down, jump up, jump right. Squat down, jump up, squat down, jump left. Hey, we found the last present, but keep your eye on the ornament that's hiding that gift. Now, which ornament was hiding that gift? Copy the move down below to pick which ornament you think the gift is hiding behind. Hey, nice job, you found it!
You can't take all the gifts back. I want them. They are all mine.
Freeze! Now start moving like crazy to break off the ice! Freeze! Now start moving like crazy to break off the ice! Now start throwing snowballs at that snowman. Reach down and throw. Reach down and throw. Throw as many as you can. Oh no, it's not working. He's only getting stronger. Hey, what if we give him one of the gifts that we found?
Well done, boys and girls. Remember, this season is not about getting, but giving. Now let's dance.
Hey guys, do you want to have even more fun? Then head on over to the Kong Academy Kids Club, because there we have video adventures that are not on YouTube. We have tons of games and movement adventures, plus it's free. So ask your parents to sign you up for the Kong Academy Kids Club by scanning this QR code, and I will see you there. Bye!